Best beginner motorcycle Kawasaki Ninja 400R. Choosing your first motorcycle is a thrilling but crucial decision for any novice rider. It sets the tone for your riding journey and plays a significant role in your safety, comfort, and enjoyment. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R is a prime example of an excellent beginner's motorcycle, known for its exceptional blend of performance, handling, and approachability. In this exploration, we will delve into why the Kawasaki Ninja 400R is the ultimate sport bike for beginners. Kawasaki, a legacy of innovation. Kawasaki is a renowned name in the world of motorcycles, celebrated for its pioneering spirit and a history of producing high-performance machines. The brand's commitment to innovation and quality has made it a favorite among riders for decades. The Ninja Legacy, a history of supersport excellence. The Kawasaki Ninja series is iconic in the world of sport bikes. With a lineage that includes legendary models like the Ninja 250R and Ninja 300, this series has a reputation for offering sporty performance while being accessible to new riders. The Ninja 400R continues this legacy, providing an even more exhilarating experience for novice riders. Perfect balance of power and control. One of the most appealing aspects of the Kawasaki Ninja 400R is its power-to-weight ratio. It's equipped with a liquid-cooled, 399cc parallel twin engine that produces 44 horsepower, which is ample for novice riders. This power is perfectly balanced with the motorcycle's lightweight chassis, resulting in a bike that's easy to control and provides thrilling acceleration. Sport bike ergonomics, comfortable and confident riding position. Novice riders often assume that sport bikes are uncomfortable, but the Ninja 400R defies that stereotype. It features a comfortable riding position that's upright and accommodating. The seat is designed for long-distance comfort, and the handlebars are easy to reach, allowing riders to feel confident and in control, even during extended rides. Lightweight chassis, nimble handling. Weighing just 366 pounds, 166 kilograms, the Ninja 400R is exceptionally lightweight for a sport bike. This low weight translates to nimble and agile handling, making it easy for beginners to maneuver through city traffic, carve through twisty roads, and confidently tackle low-speed maneuvers. Suspension and brakes, premium components for safety. The Ninja 400R is equipped with top-tier components, including a 41mm telescopic fork in the front and a uni-track rear suspension. This setup not only ensures a comfortable ride but also contributes to stability and control. The front and rear disc brakes provide excellent stopping power, enhancing safety for novice riders. Advanced features, ABS and slipper clutch. Safety is a top priority for beginners, and the Ninja 400R offers advanced features to boost rider confidence. It comes with anti-lock braking system, ABS, as a standard feature, preventing wheel lockup during emergency stops. Additionally, it boasts a slipper clutch, which reduces the chance of rear wheel skids during aggressive downshifting. User-friendly instrumentation. The instrument cluster on the Ninja 400R is designed for ease of use. Novice riders can quickly glance at the digital display to check their speed, gear position, fuel level, and more. This user-friendly feature allows riders to keep their focus on the road. Iconic Ninja styling. Sport bike enthusiasts often appreciate a bike that not only performs well but also looks the part. The Ninja 400R doesn't disappoint in the styling department. It features the iconic Ninja design with sharp lines, edgy fairings, and the distinct dual headlight arrangement. Novice riders can take pride in their ride, knowing that they're on a sport bike that's as stylish as it is functional. Economical commuter and weekend warrior. The Ninja 400R is not just for beginners, it's a versatile motorcycle that can serve as a daily commuter and a weekend warrior. Novice riders will appreciate its excellent fuel efficiency, which makes it a cost-effective choice for daily transportation. On the weekends, it transforms into an exhilarating sport bike that's ready for thrilling rides. A motorcycle that grows with you. The Ninja 400R isn't a bike you'll quickly outgrow. It offers performance and handling that can continue to challenge and entertain riders as their skills progress. Novice riders can confidently start their journey on the Ninja 400R, knowing that it's a motorcycle that can keep up with their evolving expertise. In conclusion, choosing the right motorcycle as a beginner is pivotal, and the Kawasaki Ninja 400R offers the perfect balance of performance, handling, and approachability. It's a sport bike that allows novice riders to embrace the excitement of motorcycling while feeling safe and comfortable. The Ninja 400R, with its legacy of excellence, user-friendly features, and iconic Ninja styling, sets beginners on a path of thrilling adventures and skill development in the world of sport bikes. This motorcycle is not just an entry point into the world of sport riding, it's a dynamic platform for riders to grow, learn, and explore the incredible world of two-wheeled freedom. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R is not just a motorcycle, it's an invitation to a journey of endless possibilities, with every twist of the throttle opening up new horizons for novice riders.